really enjoying this kind of vibe. It's the impracticality of life in this sort of situation is quite cool, and the hardy folk that live here year round. Like, this is so amazing. It connects me to my youth in Vermont in a totally different way. The squeak of the snow on my boots, and just some of the animals that are around, that are alive, kicking. Walking to the bus stop now. It's 1 in the afternoon. It's gonna be dark soon. And it's about 20 below Celsius. I think that's negative 11 Fahrenheit. Yeah. Taxis are, I'm too cheap. They are like 20 euros to start to go anywhere. So we're gonna do public transportation.